Done got my root cover up. Let me see. Trying to put it on like lipstick. Let me see it. I would like something like this. I just gotta say, y'all, I got halfway through my hair, as y'all can see, and I started to hear the rubber bands pop. Some bad rubber bands I use. Let's see if my camera cleaned up. Some bad rubber bands I use. So now I gotta go back through here and put some more rubber bands, some good rubber bands on. I'm at Walmart pickup area, picking up rubber bands. Thankfully, they got it ready in like 15 minutes. Thank you. So this is my day, y'all, and I do this to myself most of the time because knowing things take longer for me with a child. I just need to start getting up at 5 every morning, regardless of what it is I gotta do. Even if I ain't got nothing to do, I need to start getting up at 5. Usually when I install these locks, I have a certain type of elastic band I use for them, but you have to order them. I haven't found any in store that are, you know, quite sturdy, the elastic ones. I went to start my hair last night. Started on, the got it washed, dyed, and then went to put my locks in, and I realized, I was like, oh, I don't have rubber bands. But then I found some, and something wrong with them apparently because they're popping. I'm halfway, like I said. I got this section and this section to do. The back is done, but I have to go back through and add rubber bands because, so, basketball game, which is an hour drive for me. It's just a lot going on. It's a whole lot going on. I had to stop and feed her, make sure she was full. But like I said, I'm not gonna rush myself. I ain't doing it. I'm not gonna stress myself out. Right there. Look, we're standing up here and they look tall. Okay, y'all, so I came on here to show y'all remember the locks that I showed y'all in the Vlogmas? I unboxed them on camera. It's custom DE locks from Mimosa Dreadlocks. Go watch TV, please. Go watch TV. So y'all remember the locks that I ordered from Mimosa Dreadlocks? Yes. I got them installed. So I'm gonna try to take the scrunchie down so y'all can see real good. I got them installed. I installed them yesterday. So go watch TV. So I just wanted to take my time and show y'all what they're looking like. It is recommended that, you know, you braid your hair up with this look. It's recommended to braid your hair up with these So the ends, because these are synthetic, I ordered synthetic to be made. So you gotta be extra careful with the ends. How cute are they? I'm gonna give y'all a good little view of how they look. I just want y'all to admire the color though. I just want y'all to admire the color. Color is cute. We got a lot of little feathers here, and it's like meshing well with the gold pieces that's in my hair. This is the length that we came up with because I gave her my vision. I gave her like an inspiration pic, and she just went with it. And I requested for the lock to have a knotty texture at the top, and so that's what was given. That's what was given. But just want y'all to see how pretty the colors are. Hopefully y'all can see it. Try to. There we go. That's the length of it. It's giving almost hip length. Very soft. So, but since it's synthetic, you're gonna want to, you know, take care of the ends really well. So, just braiding it up to maintain it at night. This is how they look. This is how they look. They're pretty. Very pretty. Don't you think? Just kind of push it forward so you guys can kind of see what it's looking like. I love the decorations. I asked, you know, for similar decorations that was in my inspiration pic, and she nailed it. So, baby, I ain't mad at Natalie at all. I'm not mad at her. These are cute. It's cute. I like it a lot. 3-hour install with these, by the way. If y'all didn't know, most DE locks take about 3 hours to put in. If you're a fast braider, you know, 2, maybe an hour and a half. Okay, so yeah. But I really, 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 really love them. They are cute. I think we shall keep these in for a while.